At Global Locator Systems of Texas, our fleet team knows the hurdles fleet managers face every day. The pressure to keep costs low and run fleets with very small margins of error doesn't leave room for mistakes behind the wheel. After all, something as simple as harsh braking can damage sensitive cargo, or worse, cause an accident. The small occurrences can have a ripple effect that build over time and can negatively impact your bottom line. Accidents keep trucks off the road and raise insurance rates. Not complying with stringent driver, vehicle, and transportation regulations can result in hefty fines. A lack of efficiency can burn through fuel costs and impact customer relations. This is why Global Locator Systems of Texas has created a full suite of location-based services solutions to help mitigate the challenges in fleet management. We pair industry-leading hardware with reliable anywhere connectivity that keeps your location-based solutions running seamlessly, no matter where your vehicles travel. Our powerful platform lets you monitor driver behavior through greater visibility into common driver behavior. Our Essential and Enterprise bundles allow you to zoom in on drivers to see within the cab and road view with flawless streaming from multiple cameras. Event-based notifications are sent for standard events, such as the ignition turning on or off, harsh braking, harsh accelerating, and harsh cornering. You can view historical videos to see what triggered these events. For the most comprehensive driver safety, our Enterprise bundle builds in artificial intelligence in the most full coverage solution on the market. Here you can live stream or download historical video of the following events: driver falling asleep, cell phone use, distracted driving, following too close, smoking, and unsafe lane departure. These events can support insurance investigations and claims. The in-cabin feedback displays an advanced driver assistance system. Alert drivers in real time using AI and artificial vision to scan driver behavior. It is the most comprehensive location-based solution that pairs state-of-the-art hardware. With advanced AI to stop dangerous driver behavior as it's happening, this can provide the reassurance that your drivers and vehicles make it to their destination safely. Easy to integrate with the existing solutions and a powerful platform to monitor both from a high and granular level. Fleet management finally has the tools needed to overcome some of the biggest challenges in the industry. Ready to manage smarter? For more information, visit globallocatorsystems.com.